Hi, I'm Joseph Patrick, co-founder of Lamont Bros. And in today's video, I want to answer the question, how much does it cost to remodel a bathroom here in the Portland metro area? And we're going to answer this question by first looking at what's the scope of the remodel, second, who are you having do the remodel, and third, looking at some average costs that we see our company doing here in the Portland area. So first step is to really think through and determine your scope. There's three categories of scope that I often find us thinking about. The first is a partial bathroom remodel. So you're tearing out the existing fiberglass shower, putting in a new custom tile shower. You're tearing out the existing vanity and mirror and lights, putting in a new vanity countertop mirror lights. These projects, you've got to think about your protection costs, because you've got to protect the rest of the bathroom you're not demolishing. And then your component cost. What does a tile shower cost? What does a vanity section cost? We've got some other information you can check out on the YouTube channel here or on our website about what a tile shower costs or what some of these components cost. But that's how you want to think about your partial bathroom remodel. Then we move to what I call a pull and replace bathroom remodel. So this is where the layout essentially doesn't change, but we're pulling most of the components out, putting new components in. So you get a new shower, new flooring, paint, vanity, fixtures, all of that gets replaced. But typically you save money by not having to replace all the drywall, not having to replace all the trim, window and door trim, because typically it's the same as in the rest of your house. You don't want to replace it. And then if you pull drywall off the wall, we're not replacing the insulation there if it isn't quite up to code. So there are some significant cost savings to do a pull and replace as opposed to the full bathroom remodel. So the full or major bathroom remodel is where we don't keep the same layout. We move things around. So automatically there, our plumbing and electric costs go significantly up. You're talking about doing all of the drywall and insulation and trim costs that I talked about a minute ago. And then you also might be talking about doing some structural work. If we're moving the toilet in a second floor, we might have some significant structural work in the floor in order to move that drain pipe, because that's a large drain pipe. Typically you can't just drill through joists. We have to block it out and change the way the floor is framed. Or if we're moving walls, sometimes that's a structural wall, and depending on what's going on above, we might have to do some different things, add a beam, add another wall, something in order to continue to support that structure. So those are the three scopes you want to dial in. Which one am I? Because that's going to impact, well, what's the cost going to be fairly significantly. Second, decide who you're going to have do the work. You could do a majority of the work yourself, where you buy all the materials, do the work yourself. On a typical remodeling project, you could save about, it's about 50% labor, 50% materials. You could save some money. Or you could hire a general contractor to do the project. When you go this route, you need to think about, do I need to hire a designer as well as a general contractor? Or do I need to go straight to a general contractor? That's a good fit for more of a partial bathroom remodel. Or should I hire a design build firm that'll walk me through the entire project and the entire design process? The best thing about going this route is they'll help you define a budget in the beginning, work to design a project that meets that budget, and then build a project that meets that budget. So the budget discussion is really tied to the entire process. Next, you're going to think through the quality of fixtures and finishes that go into your project. There's a lot of different options and components, and so we've created a good, better, best budgeting system that helps our clients get a budget prior to really getting into the details of all the different fixtures and finishes they can get in their remodel. A good example of this is the tile you're going to put in your bathroom shower. This could be a mass market product that's going to fit in that good category, and you could end up paying a couple dollars a square foot. It could be a higher end custom-ish product that's going to fit in the better category. You could be paying $15, $25 a square foot for that. Or it could be a very high-end custom mosaic type product that's going to be $85, $100 a square foot. And if you're doing a really big feature wall in your shower, That's going to be a significant amount of square footage, and that cost difference will have a significant impact on your budget. But it's not always the kind of things people think about in the very beginning. So that good, better, best budgeting tool that we use is a real helpful way to think about that and get your budget dialed in prior to getting into the details of all of the different finishes. Last, I want to give you an idea, some average bathroom remodel cost ranges for different projects that we do here in the Portland metro area. When we're talking about an average guest bathroom remodel with a tub, with shower surround, new vanity, everything else is new tile floor, you're often talking in the range of $35,000 to $45,000 or $50,000. That's a good range to think about when you're talking about that kind of bathroom. With a master bathroom, there's a lot more components and the size varies a lot more. And so you could be in that $55,000 to $65,000 range, or you could easily get up to the $85,000 to $110,000 range. We do bathrooms all over the place within that range. And the difference is size, fixtures, pull and replace, or what type of remodel we're doing. Thanks for watching. I hope this video gave you a really good idea of some different potential costs for different bathroom remodels. For more information to look at particular case studies, check out our website. I'll include links below, and feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel.